which is a Microsoft Office 365. Correct, which is a completely new for you because it's a cloud service inside a Microsoft for a mailing. So I see before running a Microsoft Office 365, there is a some prerequisites. Means you can say pre-requirement. Correct. What is the pre-requirement? Pre-requirement is the Outlook. Topic on Outlook should be clear. Local Outlook that you did with Rahul Dasher session. Correct. So Outlook should be much more clear. Outlook should be much more clear. So I hope all of you have a knowledge about Outlook.
Yes, sir.
Right. I just hope that all of you know what is Outlook, what is Outlook Mail, how to configure out mail inside Outlook, what is PHT, what is IMAP, what is POP, what is
Yes, sir.
SMTP. Correct. So see, first of all, I'm going to write it down. In Outlook, which topic is important? Okay, means in Outlook, what you should know actually. So in Outlook, okay, you should have a good knowledge on first of all the configuration, how to configure. Correct, because directly if I will start Office 365 now, so okay, maybe some people will not able to understand it. If the prerequisites is not clear, if the Outlook topic is not clear in your mind. So that's why okay, I just want to confirm from you that you have a knowledge on Outlook. If yes, then I have a few questions regarding Outlook. Number one, how to configure the Outlook. Okay, configuration of Outlook mail means if you have one mail ID, so how would you configure that one mail ID inside Outlook? Number two, we have some protocol right now. We have some protocol inside Outlook. Protocol regarding IMAP, POP3, POP3, and SMTP. And SMTP. And then number third, we have some data file. In the Outlook, we have a data file. Okay, like we are calling a file extension, which is a .pht and .ost. Number four, we have a something backup. Like how, okay, in a practical, we have some practical inside Outlook. So the practical should be much more clear. The practical regarding, okay, I'm writing some practical list. So practical number one that you have a backup and restore of PHT. Practical number two that is important for you. It's the backup and restore of PHT. Then you have how to add a signature. How to add a signature in Outlook. Then number third would be delay and delivery feature. How to use a delay and delivery feature. And number four, recall feature. Recall in Outlook. Okay. And once it will be clear, then the last is a troubleshooting. How would you solve the mail in Outlook? Like a sending error, receiving error, server error. How would you resolve? So this is the some basic things in the Outlook that should be much and more clear in each and every person. for each and every person here. Okay, which means Steve should be remembering in your mind, and you can express the answer. If anyone will ask you how to take a backup of PhD, how to restore the backup of PhD, so you can give answer very clearly. Correct. So that's okay. In a chat box, okay, in a chat box you can write it down. In this 5 thing, what you don't know and what you know, everything mentioned in a chat box. I want a reply from each and everyone, so that I will know that how much you have a knowledge. If something you don't know, okay, you're not able to okay, maybe in a previous session it's not given by the Rahul sir, so I can give you right now. Correct. So that's okay. In a chat box, write a message to me what you know and what you don't know in this 5 topic. Okay, and I want a reply from everyone, every individual person. See, I will give the overview. That's a different thing. Overview is a different thing. How much you have completed, how much you have knowledge, that I want to know from you. Akash, please be in a mute here. Okay, and I want a reply from everyone. Okay, I want a reply from everyone so that I can know what is your view. Because once I will ask a question on the Outlook, I will not listen any excuse. That's that I don't know this thing, I don't know this thing, nothing like that. Because I need to give a feedback about you, remarks about you, how much you have a knowledge. Akash, why you're not understanding? Guys, through a chat box. Okay, write it down in this topic what you know and what you don't know.